If you're looking to make a change in your house, I suggest painting because it's one of the most affordable ways to transform a space and bring out the look you want for your house. We recently transformed the bedrooms in our home, and today I want to talk to you about the painting process in my daughter's room with the Wagner Flexio paint sprayer. Whenever I'm painting a space, I've found that preparation is extremely important, and taking the time to clean all the surfaces, tape off the room, lay down drop cloths, and filling any gaps and nail holes in the wall is well worth the time that it takes. I can't stress this enough. Don't skip over the preparation steps because they will determine the quality of your finished product. If you're painting over a dark color, new sheetrock, or wood, I highly suggest priming first to avoid needing multiple coats. You're going to want to find a comfortable grip on the sprayer that you can sustain for a period of time. The goal here is a smooth application, so if you're uncomfortable holding the sprayer, your finished product may not turn out the way you want. The sprayer needs to be about 6 to 8 inches from the surface. Long, full passes are important, so you're going to want to think about your grip, how you're standing, and where you're going with your pass. You need to squeeze the trigger at the beginning of each pass after you've started the motion, and then release while still in motion at the end of each pass. Adjust the settings as you become more comfortable and increase the speed of your passes. And wiping the nozzle periodically with a damp cloth will help you to avoid any dry paint buildup. I really loved not having to go back with a brush and cut in all the edges, especially with the board and batten in my daughter's room where there were so many edges to consider. More information on Wagner paint sprayers and the space shown in this video can be found right here at cherishedbliss.com, where I discuss a few tips on painting your whole house quickly and easily.